reviewing the Full Shine Clip-In Hair Extensions. This is the shade L1B4KW. I was gifted this by the brand. Now this is a little darker than my natural hair color. It is summertime, so I do go lighter, but in the fall I go darker, so this might work better in the fall. But I just want to show you how they work. They come in a 3-pack. There's 3 of them. You can use all 3, you don't have to. But I love their hair. I think it feels like real hair and it's easy to work with. It's easy to curl and straighten, and I do not do hair, so if I can do it, anybody can do it. But it has these little clips in. They're super easy to use. You just poke them out when you're ready to go, and then you section off your hair like I did, and then you put them in your hair. You want to pull them back, and you want to make sure they're tight. This is the tricky part, getting this, because you can't see really. And you just clip them, and then when you're ready, just push on them. And then you let your hair down. And then I usually take the littler one and I'll section off again more top of my hair. And put another layer in, especially because I have a bob, so I just need the layers. But you can already see right here. So this is the 3 one. You just clip them out again, and then clip them in place. And make sure you pull them because you don't want them kind of show in the back. And these are nice for like events or if you're going out and doing stuff. I do not wear them every day, but now they're in. And now I would like curl and like try to make it look more, because since I have a bob, so I'll try to curl it or straighten it or whatever I need to do to make it and add more texture spray. But let's see how. And I usually, since I have such fine hair, I have to tease my hair just so it covers it, because I just have no hair and it's so fine and thin. So I love being able to put extensions in. It's just nice to have a little bit of hair once in a while. But let's see how I did in the back. And you just like work with it, manipulate it if you can, tease it where you need to tease. But I love having extensions. I love having clip-ins. It's just nice to have one day short hair, one day long hair, fuller hair. So if you're looking for some clip-in extensions, Full Shine is a really good brand that I really like.